Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session we are going to discuss regarding resistors, a basic electrical component. So please watch this video until end so that you will get some basic idea and important concepts related to resistors. So let us quickly start with the session. So what is this resistor? So resistor is nothing but a two terminal electrical component. So that means it has two terminals. So as you can see here, this is I'm pointing out here. So this is a resistor symbol, so which is having two terminals. So this is terminal 1 and this is terminal 2. So this is a two terminal electrical component. That means it is used in electrical circuits. And one more important thing which has to be remembered is it is a passive component. So what is this passive component? Passive component is nothing but a component in which the power or the energy is not required to function this. So that means for operation of this resistor, energy is not required. There is no source of energy required for operation of resistor, or it will also not produce any of the energy from this particular component. So that means a passive component is a component which neither uses or neither requires energy for its operation, or it also does not create any source of energy. So that means this is the passive component. Okay. So next is the ability. So why this, what is the main purpose of resistor? Is ability to reduce current is called resistance. See, in any of the circuits which we want to analyze, so in that circuit, if we actually in any of the circuits, if the current is continuously flowing, at some point of time we require it to control. The current which is flowing needs to be controlled. So that situation, in that particular situation, this reducing current is very important. So this reducing current, this particular property is achieved by using this resistors. So next is the purpose why this resistors are used to reduce flow of current, as I told you, and adjust signal levels, voltage dividing, etc. So once if the current is continuously flowing, then at some point of time we need that we need to limit the current which is flowing in the circuitry. So at this particular time we can use the resistors that will resist the, as name itself indicate, it will resist the current flow in a circuitry. Or it will even use to adjust the signal levels, means voltage dividing. Once the voltage is getting divided, we can limit the current by using this resistors. So this is very important thing, and physically the resistor looks like this. Okay, so this is named as a resistor. So what is the how the resistors or the resistance or whatever resistor is performing the function, that itself is called as a resistance. That is opposition to the flow of current is called as resistance. That particular phenomenon is called as resistance, and the device is or the component, electrical component, is nothing but the resistor. So what is this? How the resistance is measurable? It is measured in the terms of ohm. Ohm is the unit for resistance. So one more thing is like resistors are made up of. So how the resistors are made up of what these resistors are made up of what substance, or what is the composition of resistor, we can say, are made up of either carbon, metal, or metal oxide film. So this is the composition, or with this particular substances the resistors are made up of. So next is the types of resistors, which we will try to cover it in a very broader sense. So the major categories in which we can divide the resistors are fixed resistors and adjustable resistors. So what is this fixed resistors? So whatever I'm trying to show you here in this particular this diagram, so this is nothing but the fixed resistor. That means whatever resistors are there, that will be fixed resistance value. That means this particular resistance resistor can offer a resistance of 1 kilo ohm. So that means 1 kilo ohm resistor, 2 kilo ohm resistor, or 1 ohm resistor. So in that way, we the value of this particular resistor, if it is fixed, then that particular resistor is called as fixed resistor. And one more type of resistor is adjustable resistor. This is finding a major application in potentiometer. So the detailed study of potentiometer will be done in some the upcoming sessions. So this adjustable means we can adjust the value of resistor as per our requirement. So the major application, as I said you already, it's in potentiometer. And potentiometer is widely used in motor speed control. To control the speed of a motor, we need to limit the flow of current. So flow of current is limited by using resistors. So now a question arises, why can't we use fixed resistor itself in controlling the that motor speed of motor? So that is because we want to control the speed. If we use fixed resistor, then definitely that particular resistance offered is fixed and we will get only one speed. So that means we cannot control the current. So in that way, if we use adjustable resistor or rheostat, the another name of adjustable resistor is rheostat. If we use rheostat, then definitely we can control the speed, as at any point of time we can change the resistor or resistance value. So that means we can limit the flow of current. If we limit the flow of current, then we can definitely limit the or control the speed of a motor. So in this way, this is the basic concepts of resistors. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So please like and share, and even press the bell icon to get the latest updates. So this is very important thing to get the latest updates. So please have a nice day. Yeah, bye.